Welcome everyone. Today's video finds us over here on the Chaophraya River. We're across to over here in Nonthanaburi. We're outside of Bangkok. And we're gonna check out Wat Yai Sawang Arom or something like that. Anyway, I'll put it up on the screen. We're gonna check out this Riverside market that's right here. And where we're at is just across the Chaophraya River from a pretty famous market and island where everybody goes. We're right over here by Pak Kret. So we're gonna go take a look at this market. It's open from 8 in the morning until they run out of product. Whenever they run out of stuff, they close up and go home, or just whenever people stop coming. So anyway, let's go walk around in here and see what it looks like. Now this is the Chaophraya. If you keep going down that way, eventually you will run into the main part of Bangkok. Right over there on the other side of the river, this is the island of Pak Kret. And here's a little boat. This is kind of cool. They do this boat every Saturday at noon, and it's free. So you can take it over here from this Wat Yai, and it goes just around Pak Kret. The only thing is, if it's free, but you just got to buy like a coffee or whatever. And people come over here and they feed the fish, as you can see. That's a popular activity for the Thais. They come feed the fish by the temple and make a little bit of merit. But right over there is Pak Kret. You can see some of the houses leaning. And then on this side of the river is all Nonthanaburi. And let's go into the market. Now it is right next to a temple. This is a pretty common thing. You can buy some of the bread, fish food right here. This temple, a lot of times they will have like a traditional market that's set up out here by these old temples. So it's like you can go to the temple, make merit, and then you can come over and get some food. So this is the market itself here. So you can see it's not a floating market, but it's just it's a market on the land. You can see it's underneath is kind of like Quonset, which is nice, keeps, whenever it's raining, keeps everybody dry. And there's just about 5 rows of stalls. Some of them have already closed up, some of them are still going. Some of them are selling fresh fruit, some of them sell snacks, everything like that. They got the Thai music playing. So let's look around here a little bit. So here she's selling some of the bananas and cucumbers and these nice little chilies here that'll burn you up. Tomatoes and the big beans, these big old beans, and the limes, and here's some of the pumpkin. And then some bananas and snacks. So the Thais will come over here, they'll buy their produce to take home and do some cooking. And you see some strange looking vegetables sometimes here. She's selling some of the palm sugar. And I think this is the tamarind, some of the phoi tong, some of the desserts. These are always my favorite to stop and take a look at and try. Here's got some of the meat on a stick, some of the fish balls. So he cooks these right there in that oil. And then whenever you get it with like some chili and some of the cucumbers and cabbage and stuff. This is kind of funny. So you can get some of the vegetables here. And right next to it, if you want, you can buy amulets and old coins. So it's got kind of a mixed bag of stuff. And these ladies here selling some more of the vegetables. Some of these little coconuts. So you got these little snacks here for 5 and 10 baht. And then this little container here for 25 baht. It's like some of the sugar, stuff like that, and some of the little rice cakes. So you get 1 bag of this, and then they put like a little frosting on it. Those are 25 baht. Those are nice. I really like those little rice cakes. And so she's got some more little snacks. Got those with like the little bean, like the coconut milk, and various little things. It's quite funny, and there's a little girl back there. She's all making faces at me. And we got some more of the fruit. Little banana. These are the little banana bloom, and actually use those in their cooking. This is a cool display. So it has the garlic and the pumpkins, and these little roots that they put in like the tom yum. And then you got some onions. And over here, some of the little rice. Yeah, the garlic is an important ingredient in Thai cooking. Some of the pomegranates and these little fruits here. And some avocados and some of the little melons. More of the rice cakes. And these here, they put like a pineapple jam inside of these little crackers. They're quite nice. And some banana chips, some other little snacks, some little cookies, some of the bread, and these little cupcakes with the feuilleton and chocolate. And they do these little snacks here. They'll put like cornflakes with some of the peanuts and raisins in it. Then he has some of the little fritters or the apple and cherry turnover stuff. So we got some of the guava, as the Thais call the farang. And then the mangosteen. This is what the mangosteen looks like on the inside. It's like a really white, like a sweet fruit. It's kind of slimy. It has a different texture, but it's one of my favorites. And then the rambutan, as the Thais call the nut. And then they just crack this open and it's got like a little round white thing with a big seed in it. It's really a nice fruit also. Some more of the little desserts. So you get these, like one of these little bags here for 30 baht, which is like $1 US. These little markets are always fun because you get to see different snacks. And then you can buy stuff like this. This is more of the palm sugar. And then these little snacks here, these little mini pancakes that they roll up. And you see these are a really common snack also. They make like a little cake with the peanuts and they cook it in some oil and some more of the vegetables. Seems to be a pretty important thing here at this market is a lot of the vegetables. Everybody will come over and buy it and take all this stuff home. Some more fruit here. This is the sala. And these right here, I can't remember the name of it, but it's like a tart fruit. And then the dragon fruit, and then the longan, and Somtom, which is called the pomelo. This is like a grapefruit, but not near as sour. And she has some more fruit here, coconuts and some mangosteen. Yeah, it's always good when mangosteen is in season. Here she makes some of the little waffles, and those have like a hot dog in it. She's got her waffle maker over there, putting some with the raisins, and then some of the other things that she's made. She's got a little bit of the grilled bananas. And then here's the Koh Kret. So you get these with the corn and onions and whatever other things you want. Then she has some of the little quail eggs. You can get them already cooked like this or boiled. Some of the hoi tat, the little oyster omelet. So you can get this for 50 baht. So we have some of the noodles with the tofu and the pork. You can get the pork belly, the mugrap in it. So like 45 up to 60 baht. Here she's got like some of the salapao and the little kanom pan or that little bread. And they put like the pandarin or chocolate or butter in it. And they just eat it like that. Here she's got some of the pork. And she's butchering it up right there. It smells really nice. And then she just serves it right on the rice, just like that, or you can take it in the bag home. Yeah, that looks and smells really good. It looks like it's 40 baht for that little bag that she's getting there. So here, they serve up some chicken noodle. You see the chicken over there. And then they have like the Brussels sprouts, and then they cook it here in the hot water. Nobody's ordering any right now, and here's the little noodles you can get. So we got some Somtom here. Starts out at like 40 baht, so she's making it there. Throw in the tomatoes and everything. You can get it with the little shrimp, the little crabs. You can get it with the fish sauce, however you want it. So they throw all the ingredients into that little bowl. Oh, they're gonna get the crab in. So she tosses it all in there. And some lime.
ไปด้วยนะเอาไอเอาไอไปด้วยเอาไอไปด้วย
So she just makes it up right there.
เนี่ยคือของแซ่บ
Somtom is like one of the most popular dishes in Thailand.
ทำสารคดีกับประเทศ
Yeah.
ใส่ถุงไว้เรียบร้อยเลยอ่ะน่ารักเนาะ
So she had the papaya already in that little baggie. Let's see what the final product looks like here. So just like that. อร่อยไหม
อร่อย ชิมดูไหม
เผ็ด
เผ็ดก็อร่อย
Yeah, so they said it's delicious, and I said it'd be pretty spicy. But that's the finished product. And one of my favorite vendors is this right here. So you get the coconut ice cream, get one little cone for 10 baht, up to a bowl for 30 baht with the chocolate and everything. And they always just have it right here on these little motorcycles, and there's the toppings. Okay, so just gonna get a little cone here for 10 baht with some chocolate and some vanilla, and you put some chocolate syrup on it. Always nice to get some ice cream. So let's eat this and walk around a little bit more. Here she's making these little pancakes right here. So she puts them on there, then she rolls them up. She just sits here and does this all day long. Yeah, I've never seen them use that little tube before to roll them up. You can get a little bag right here. These are 25 baht, which is a little bit less than $1. And this is the temple, the Wat Yai Sawang Arom. So the Thais will come here, make merit, and get all the snacks and everything. It's a good day for them. Let's stick our head in the little hall right here, just really quick to look, since we're here. This is kind of a cool little building. I have no idea about how old this temple is or anything, but here you have the Buddhas, the Buddha footprint, a couple of little elephants. You can see where they've stuck the gold leaf and everything on them. A little bit more of the temple. There's the Buddhas. I have a couple chetties back there. There's the bell tower and a couple more of the little halls. Yeah, they're really nice buildings. Might have to come back over here another day and take a look around this temple. So that's going to finish up our video over here at Wat Yai Sawang Arom Riverside Market. This is a nice little market. It's off the touristy trail. It's just over here next to the Chaophraya River. This would be a nice thing to do to combine with if you went over here to Koh Kret. Something a little different. You come over onto this side away from the Bangkok side. Come over here, walk around in this little market and do a little bit of shopping. You could probably get on one of the boats and go around also. It would be something fun to do. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. This is what I do. I just go show you things I see and tell you a little bit about what I know. So if you like that kind of stuff, then subscribe, stick around. Leave me a comment if you've ever been here or if you have any questions. I don't know how to get over here by the bus. I came by motorcycle, so it wasn't too bad. I just followed the GPS and got right over here. It wasn't too bad at all. And smash the like, leave me a comment, and until next time from over here in Nonthanaburi, remember, life is a journey. Enjoy.